Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you guys the products within my Influenster Beauty 101 Voxbox. So let's just dive right in. The first product that I got is this Peach Slices Shrink Pores Mask. Now you also could have gotten the Hydrate Mask, but I got the Shrink Pores Mask. As you can probably tell, I have not opened or tried this. Unfortunately, it has willow bark and soybean extract, and I am extremely allergic to soybean, and I cannot put this on my face or I'll have a very bad allergic reaction. So that was kind of a bummer that I couldn't try this product because I love sheet masks and I love masks, so that's definitely a bummer. Next up is this Covergirl LashBlast Volume Mascara. Now I love Covergirl, that's kind of like the OG brand, and definitely their mascaras are like OG mascaras, but it's okay. It's an okay mascara. I am wearing it right now, so as you can kind of see, I don't necessarily think it has the volume that it is promising. It's just an okay everyday mascara. I think part of it is because of the wand, which I am not a huge fan of. As you can kind of see, it's just like it's a thick wand, but the bristles are so tiny, so it really does a better job of kind of separating than volumizing. I will say I do think it looks a lot better as more of a second day mascara, so like the second day that you wear makeup, you know, and the mascara is not completely gone after you wash your face. That's when it looks the best, is when you're kind of putting it on over other mascara that's still kind of there. It sounds kind of gross, but like, you know, when you just don't get all your mascara off and it's still on there, and this looks better on top of that. I also got this Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. It's just a very good dry shampoo. I would put it up there with Batiste, with Amika dry shampoos. The only thing I will say is, again, a little bit pricier, but it is still, you know, a good value. Batiste, I want to say, is about $5 a bottle, and then the full size of this is about $12 a bottle. So it's definitely a bit on the pricier side, but it is a solid dry shampoo. The Beauty 101 Voxbox also had this Crest ProHealth Gum and Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. Now this is another one that I didn't really try. I didn't even open this because I don't have any gum sensitivity. So how would I know if it's helping? I don't know. I just felt like this was kind of a weird Voxbox because some of these products are very specific, and I would have no way of knowing whether or not this toothpaste works. So there is that. It's unopened, it's sealed still, so I can give it to somebody that I know that would actually potentially benefit from this. But yeah, I just thought this was kind of a weird like mesh of products this month. Like it was just a very weird Voxbox. And then last but not least is this teeny tiny sample of the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel with salicylic acid. Now, besides the fact that this is absolutely the tiniest sample I've ever seen, I will say it worked fairly well. I do have to use it as more of a spot treatment than an all over face treatment because I have more sensitive skin. Anything with salicylic acid in it can tend to make my skin a lot drier than I would like, so I would recommend this maybe as a spot treatment, but it is Clinique, so it is a little bit on the pricier side, so I'm not necessarily sure I would really recommend it. So that is everything that I got in my Influencer Beauty 101 Voxbox. Like I said, I think this was a very weird Voxbox. Maybe it's just because I couldn't use the sheet mask because of the soybean, and I couldn't use the toothpaste because I don't have gum sensitivity, but I feel like it was just kind of a bunch of weird unrelated products thrown together. So there's that, but I'm definitely looking forward to future Voxboxes. I feel always, you know, blessed and thankful to receive these, and I'm glad I got to try out the products that I was able to try. So it's not all a lose-lose situation. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and thank you for watching. Thank you for still being here, even though I haven't posted in forever, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys.